Hi there! Do you have a flashlight in your EDC pouch or your everyday carry pouch? As they say, you can never go wrong with a flashlight in your EDC. By the way, here's my new EDC pouch. And talking of flashlight, I've been using this type of flashlight for a long time. Also waterproof, cheap, but it really works well. But it's time to have another flashlight, so let's have an unpacking video of a flashlight I ordered online. So let's start. I'll be using my Victorinox climber this time, especially the this pair of scissors here. I'll be doing a review of this as well in upcoming episodes. I like the scissors of the climber. Anyway, let's go. The item is from overseas and it's called Klarus A1 rechargeable flashlight, tactical flashlight, LED flashlights, outdoors light, high lumen, waterproof, diving flashlight. So let's check it out. Start by opening the package here. It's quite rainy here where I am, so we can have outdoors unpacking video for the meantime. Weather is not so good. Right, let's open now. Packaging is fine. So here's our flashlight. It says here Klarus 1100 lumens flashlight, 230 meters, A1 compact tactical flashlight. The box has length of around 7 inches. Alright, width of around 3 inches, depth of around 2 inches or 1 point something inches. 11025 CD, peak beam intensity, impact resistance. It's also waterproof, and of course do not shine directly onto ice. Specs: model A1, dimensions 35mm by 160.5mm. Okay, LED, high power ultra bright LED. Alright, here's the specs. It's waterproof, it has 1-year warranty. Here's more about the specs. Original accessories or optional accessories, sorry. Filter, the battery, rail mount if you want to mount it, and flashlight holster if you want. This is this is made in China though. Yeah, but God created the world and the rest was made in China, so alright. Maximum beam distance 230 meter, 72 hours. Maximum run time, okay, it's 72 hours. Type C charging. Okay, check it out inside. Alright, we'll use this outdoors soon enough. Empty box. your usual packaging for some flashlights and electronics. Here's the inlay information that we can peruse and study in different languages, Dutch, etc., well, English, Italian, Spanish. Yeah, okay. Yeah, there's kind of a lanyard. Yeah. For the flashy. And there's also the this one for the charging, for the charger, USB type, and you can also C-type charging. And I don't know if this is already charged or if this has battery. No, yeah, it feels like it's good. It's like it's quite tough, and maybe we'll need to inspect it further for battery or charging. Well, it's tough. As I've researched earlier, this flashlight is supposed to be really tough. You can use it as a kind of a impact weapon. Yeah, as well. It's really tough. The metal is really wow. It's here. It's Klarus. It's the power button, and this one also turns on and is kind of a power indicator if the item or the flashlight is still fully charged, or if the charge is getting weaker. Yeah. This is, I guess, for adjustment of the beam. As for the battery, we'll find out if this thing has batteries, or maybe I'll have to there is a battery. Indeed, this type of battery, giveaway battery, but I guess it requires charging. 18650 battery by Klarus. So wow, it's made by Klarus as well. So I'll use this for the meantime. Well, it's rechargeable, so great. Yeah. 260. Yeah, okay. Yeah, cool. So additional EDC item. And also, yeah, it's working now. So I'm in my man cave, so alright. What's the charge? You can charge it through here. Okay, and let's check it out. Let's look at I'm here in my man cave, so there. It's blinking. Look at that. It's fully charged. Yeah, it's not really fully charged, I think. There's another, you know, it has to be full lit. Anyway, okay, let's check it. Let's use this outdoors. Alright, let's now check our flashlight, the so-called Klarus A1 outdoors. So let's check it out. There. That's our illumination. Okay, we're adjusting it. Okay, dim, that's the brightest. You see the tree, and you see there's a vehicle coming, so let's focus on the farmland here. See, quite strong. And on the highway, dark highway, that's the brightest. And in an abandoned house, okay, dim, bright, semi-bright. And look at the flicker. Turn it off, turn it on. Alright, really quite bright. Alright, I hope you enjoyed our unboxing video and trial of the Klarus A1 flashlight. Klarus A1 flashlight. Okay, join me for future episodes where I'll be using this flashlight for outdoors activities such as hiking and camping. Jason here for the Hagbayon channel. Remember, the pen is mightier with a sword and a flashlight. Thanks for watching.